After the phenomenal success of OPPO F11 Pro, the global smartphone manufacturer has come up with an impressive variant of the series in its new OPPO F11. The newly launched OPPO F11 is as good a device as its Pro variant. For those who don't need the rising selfie camera and a panoramic screen, the F11 is a great device for them. So first, let's go ahead and unbox the device. Talking about the specs, F11 comes with a 6.5 inches FHD plus LCD screen and has a 90.70% screen to body ratio thanks to the water drop screen. It comes with 4GB of RAM plus 128GB ROM, expandable up to 256GB, improving the speed and performance. The OPPO F11 runs on Android 9 Pie based on ColorOS 6.0 operating system with 2.1 GHz MediaTek Helio P70 octa-core processor and an ARM Mali G72 GPU. The device has a 4020 mAh battery and supports VOOC Flash Charge 3.0. In the box you get the OPPO F11 handset, VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 adapter, earphones, micro USB cable, SIM ejector pin, pre-applied screen protector, protective case and the usual documentation. The all-new symmetrical design features a water drop screen and the signature OPPO gradient colors. The OPPO F11 comes in two colors, fluorite purple and marble green. It is priced at Rs 17,990. ColorOS 6.0 offers many features including Smart Bar, which helps navigate between apps and features faster. Whether it's enhanced gameplay or a more efficient working experience you need, ColorOS adds to the functionality. Talking about the cameras, F11 Pro has a 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual reel cameras, plus AI ultra clear engine and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The camera app comes with a number of shooting options for you to innovate and experiment. Here are some photo samples for your reference. The 16 megapixel front camera is also used for face unlock feature if you prefer it over the fingerprint scanner. So do let us know how you like the device in the comment section below, or you can tweet to us at @theunbiasedblog. And also do remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. For those who haven't subscribed to us, please click on the subscribe button and then the bell icon. Thanks for watching The Unbiased Blog.